Hello, it's Jess. Welcome back. So today, some exciting news is I'm actually going to be vlogging my day today. Because I'm actually doing something interesting. I will be going Christmas shopping. I'm not that much done. Like, I have got quite a bit done, so I've got that much left to do now. But I'll get some Christmas shopping done. And then we'll be going to bonfire at like some family and friend's house. So, and let's see. If I can't vlog much, I'm very sorry. Where we'll be going shopping is Meadowhall, so it probably will be busy because it's a Saturday. So if I don't vlog, I'm very sorry. But I hope I do. Fingers crossed for me. But yeah. Just day to day, see what happens in my life today, see how it gets on, and probably go out for some food as well. Take you with me with some food. But yeah, I've been requested to do a vlog, so at this moment in time, I'm currently in bed, but yeah, I got a request to do a vlog of my day-to-day life. But do you know when you just haven't got that much interesting going on? It's like, what should I vlog? Because you know, it's either go to work, come home. That really it. I can't vlog at work, so I'm not on my phone. So it's like, what do I do? But I thought I'm actually doing something interesting today, so I'll whack my phone out. Because as you can tell throughout, I have got my phone on me. I'm filming on my phone. Just a simple fact of I'm new to all this, and I don't want people staring at me thinking what should do it. So it'll literally just look like my first time. So yeah, right. So I'll carry on now because this intro is getting a bit too long. And I need to sort this out because it's disgusting. My hair. Ugh. But yeah. So if you want to carry on watching of what I did in this vlog, then you know what to do. Keep watching.
Oh God, it's recording.
Right on, G.
Go on, mate.
No, I'll get copyright.
It's on YouTube. I'm going to sit in silence now. Because you can't let us listen to songs because of copyright reasons.
I'll get copyrighted.
So we'll just sit here, driving in the miserable rain.
Total silence. On way to Meadowhall.
Christmas shopping done.
Whoop whoop.
Bye bank account. Bye bank account.
Still got KFC in it back.
Disgusting.
He's a dirty boy. He's a dirty boy.
Me, dirty boy? That's your KFC. That's yours.
It's not.
Yes, it is. Don't lie.
It's not.
Do not lie to your subscribers.
It's not. At all.
Bloody hell. He's dirty as hell.
Just a bit. So what are we doing?
Went to Meadowhall today. Just come Christmas shopping. Then we're going to go to my mum's house in Doncaster.
Doncaster.
Then we're going to go to a bonfire night. A family bonfire night that I've been going to since I was... I can't even remember. A twinkle in my dad's eye. But yeah, we set some fireworks off of a massive bonfire. It's always a big event. It's always
Loads of
big.
food, loads of drinks.
Even though I'm not drinking because I'm driving back home.
Yeah.
Rubbish. Absolute rubbish. But
And then what home and go to bed?
Well, I'm going to chill out, watch some YouTube,
Wait.
sleep. On to the next day.
Until the next day.
Then Monday I start my night, so.
So I'll put a violin in the comments. That's the world's smallest violin right there.
Cheers. Cheers.
You're welcome.
It's alright, mate.
You're welcome. Not used to this. Bit nerve-wracking. Vlogging. Right over angle.
Oh.
Yeah.
Some great traffic.
Oh yeah. Using my phone as well, so it doesn't look like I'm vlogging. It just looks like I'm on a FaceTime.
On a FaceTime.
FaceTime. So I'm going to vlog a few shops because I don't know if you're allowed to film in every shop. And then I'm going to also vlog the bonfire night tonight. And then we'll just see how the day goes from there, really. So, yeah.
See you in a bit.
See you in a bit. I can't get it out. God.
What's up with you? Can't you speak? It's alright, you just keep eating sausage roll, I'll intro you in. So, went to Meadowhall and basically absolutely even it down. It's too busy in there, too busy. Got a bit of Christmas shopping done, but I think it's time for a waggers.
I went to Wagamama, having my little snack.
Little snack.
Having my little snack. Didn't vlog out, too busy. Couldn't do it. Couldn't do it. I thought, hail to the no. Hail to the no. So, Wagamama, here we come with my little sausage roll as well. I'll probably give him some of it as well. I will. We'll with it, won't we? See you at Wagga. In cheeky Wagamama. I just turned camera around. Woo! Wagga. Just ordered.
I got pan thai, chicken and prawn. You got a tantanama for beef brisket. You get some ebikatsu prawn as well.
Beautiful.
Can't wait to do some starving.
Get back to your soul. Ebikatsu time. Yeah, boy. Gonna get demolished. Guys, he got his dinner before me. Where's mine? Dinner has arrived. Yes. Yeah, boy. I'm gonna get straight into this. No messing about. See you soon. Goodbye. With whatever's hanging out your mouth. And that's it, guys. We have finished.
Can't hear you.
Waiting to pay. He's on call. But yeah.
I'm good, mate. How are you?
It was absolutely amazing.
She's absolutely fantastic.
Amazing. So you can't see me. So now we're just waiting for Andrew to get some fireworks for the bonfire tonight. And then we're gonna pop home and chill before we have to go to the place. My lipstick's come off, but I see him. Wee.
Man's got Rockies.
Very exciting. Hiya. Just ignore me then.
Can't wait to set them bad boys off. I saw one that was called the Atom Bomb. And I nearly bought that one. But it was 25 quid and it's only one rocket. How close is he on my backside?
Oh, here we go. Road
rage.
That's the one.
It's only an hour for a male behind me anyway.
I'm gonna go home and chill and then go back out.
How are we gonna chill for like 20 minutes?
Still, we're gonna chill for like 20 minutes. Chill's a chill at end of the day, Andrew. Oh God.
Struck camera back, sorry. Bouncy, bouncy. Oops.
I'm with a madman. I'm a madman. I'm a madman. Oh, mad. I'm a real boy. That's all. So a quick outfit change to get warm and cozy. Do have a scarf as well. At this minute we are Morrison's. Getting a few drinks. Because it's like a little do as well that we're doing. And then I'll be at the house with some fireworks. We'll be filming the fireworks as well. Obviously it's going to be dark, so you might not be able to see obviously me. But the fireworks are better. Like, you are better off to see the fireworks. Like, I'm not that interested now, so I'm just waiting for Andrew to come back because he's running to get all the drinks while I just sit in the car. And it just looks like we've all sat in the car all day, but technically we have been out all day. It is now like, what time is it? It is nearly 5 o'clock. So let's have a look. The bonfire don't actually start till 6 o'clock, but we like to get there quite early, especially for car parking spaces. Just so you just get there early, really. Thought something was conning me behind it when it were, what do you call it, a shadow. Are you going to come on? Are you going to come on the screen? There we go. Yeah, so it's nearly 5 o'clock, so nearly 5 o'clock. But quick outfit change to get nice and cozy because we're going to be standing around a fire at the same time. So don't want to get proper wrapped up, but get a bit wrapped up. So, but yeah, I will get back to you when we are there and when the fireworks go off. See you soon.
Hello.
It's a bit dark. Can't really see out at all.
No.
But everyone's like down there still.
Oh, bloody hell.
We're only ones here in the field. We be out of breath, sorry. And then this is the massive pile for the fire. And then fireworks will be somewhere around here. But yeah, big field. This is back of someone's actually house. So, is that the line there where we have to stand?
Probably. Let's see if where we'll rest it.
The chairs of line.
Are you going to stand with my mum and that?
Yeah. Hi Andrew.
Hello.
Hiya.
Hello to all the Just Brittles subscribers.
Hiya.
If you want...
Come prepared, look. I'll turn them over. Way.
If you aren't already, put the notification bell on, like, subscribe.
You got told. Everyone's coming now, as you can see all the lights there. Get back to you shortly. Bye.
Pass it loads and loads of times. Now get fine. What's the limit of that? Stand it over. Get a video of this. Yeah, no. Turn it off. Did you press it loads of times, even when...
Hey guys, I forgot to end the vlog yesterday, so doing it now as I look a mess and I'm in bed. So here's me ending the vlog. Hope you enjoyed my day out. Bye guys.